Hey folks, coming to you from St. Thomas, Cyril E. King International Airport. I am here no longer in St. Croix, wrapping up my last day here in the Virgin Islands. And today I am going to fly this beautiful Cessna 172 November 2583 uniform over to St. Croix. It's just 40 miles south of St. Thomas, so it takes approximately 20 minutes to get there. I'm waiting for the fuelers to finish fueling. And I'm going to take this back out, head over to st. Croix. But let me show you my safety equipment since I'm crossing the ocean. So right now I have 2 life vests. I only need 1, of course. And recently we put the life raft. We put it under the seat just in case I have to do water ditching. And for extra safety, I brought my radio. I put it in a sandwich wrap bag so I can keep it dry. And I have my routes on electronic for flight. And I have a map just in case the battery dies on my flight. So what we're going to do, we're going to fly from St. Thomas. And we're going to head straight south, maybe a little bit of southeast. Head over to Buck Island. Circle that. Circle Point Udall. And then come around to the south side and land at the airport, which is Henry E. Rohlsen Airport. And park at Bulky Aviation, relax a few, and then head back over here to St. Thomas. I invite you to come aboard, relax, and enjoy the experience. All right, so we can get the ATIS information, which is 124.00.
10607, visibility 10, sea lane 2,800 broken, 2,600 broken, temperature 282.21, altimeter 299.8, remark funnel cloud, began 25 Zulu, 10 southwest, ending at 1739. ILS RNAV, all visual purchase running 10 on you. Notice of the airman running 10, ILS to me, not monitored, numerous mark consent.
St. Thomas ground, good afternoon. Cessna 2583 uniform at Standard Aviation with Yankee VFR to St. Croix.
November 2583 uniform, St. Thomas ground, runway 10, taxi via Foxtrot Bravo.
Via Foxtrot Bravo, Cessna 83 uniform.
Skyhawk 2583 uniform, maintain VFR at or below 3,000 and to advise. Departure frequency 128.65, squawk 4542, information Zulu is now current.
Maintain VFR at or below, I believe you said it was 3,000 and squawk 4542 for 83 uniform.
2583 uniform, affirmative 3,000.
Roger, 83 uniform.
Number 2583 uniform, wind 09012, altimeter 29907, cross runway 10 Bravo, continue via Charlie Alpha.
Alright, cross runway 10 Bravo, continue Charlie Alpha, Roger, 83 uniform. Alright, so compound runway 10 here at St. Thomas. Gonna go out to the very end over here and do a quick run up.
214 Zulu to St. Croix.
Alright, so instrument is checked. This is 60070, and this is practically correct. Alright, 1950. St. Thomas Tower, Cessna 83 uniform, hold short, runway 10, southbound.
Cessna 83 uniform, can you take an immediate?
Affirmative 83 uniform.
2583 uniform, wind 09010, runway 10, clear for immediate takeoff. Traffic 3.5 mile final, Boeing 737.
Roger, clear for immediate, 83 uniform. Alright, we will clear for immediate takeoff. Lights are on. And full power. 55, rotate. And step on the brakes, stop the rotation of the wheels. Airborne. Airborne at 2 o'clock. Approach, good afternoon. Cessna 2583 uniform off St. Thomas, heading 240.
Star 2583 uniform, standby departure, radar contact. Good afternoon, resume on navigation to St. Croix.
Roger, 83 uniform. All right, so we have Water Island over here.
Speed is your discretion. Contact St. Thomas Tower, 18.8. Thanks for having
And we have to stay clear of Water Island because of a noise abatement. And we got St. Croix in sight.
St. Thomas Tower, American 316 on the ILS, runway 10.
You got all the airliners now coming in from the States. You're hearing them checking in. Pretty much straight in approach runway 10 off the right wing. They all seem to leave at certain time and arrive here at certain time. At the same time, practically to leave at the same time. They have that bank of flight departure. Climbing out of 1,600. St. Croix straight ahead. And I'm going to go back to my 4-flight maps, see where we are.
Tower 132.05, good day.
So here we have it, folks. We are east of St. Croix.
75.
Point Udall on the left-hand side of the airplane. Most eastern point of the United States. Got a good aerial view.
Good speed 558, contact San Juan Center on 118.15, good day.
St. Croix, good afternoon. Cessna 2583 uniform, about 10 miles north of the pier, inbound with uniform.
Cessna 2583 uniform, St. Croix, report passing the pier. Traffic inbound from the north as well as a twin Cessna.
Roger, we'll report north. Actually passing the pier, Cessna 83 uniform.
Pier 6510, traffic is Cessna vicinity, same as you, southbound 410.
Copy, Pier 6510, looking for traffic.
All right, pre-landing checklist, mixture enriched, landing lights are on, fuel on both, and we're starting to feel the trade winds coming off of the hills. And we got Sandy Point right over there, if you can see off my right. That's where they filmed Shawshank Redemption at the ending when you saw Andy Dufresne approaching Morgan Freeman. That's where he ended.
Pier 6510, you coming up on the pier?
Negative, Pier 6510, 7.5 miles north of the pier.
What is that?
A3 uniform, guys, in the pier.
A3 uniform, okay, I've got you inside now. You were closer than I realized. Runway 10, clear to land.
Clear to land, A3 uniform.
Tower 1293 is on the ILS 10.
American 1293, St. Croix Tower, roger, the wind 120 at 13, continue.
Continue, Mark 1293.
All right, on the ground. Okay. Perfect.
American 1293, report the West Shore.
Roger, Mark 1293.
American 1293, I see you now, and spacing looks good with the traffic ahead. Runway 10, clear to land.
Roger, Mark 1293, yeah, TCAS is about 8 ahead.
Couldn't see you with the clouds out there.
Oh, we made it, and it is so hot in here. Turn these cameras off.